welcome to another episode on Social Giant Global. Today I want to show you how you can make thousands and thousands of dollars on YouTube with just an idea. Hi, today I want to show you how you can make thousands of dollars on YouTube. Wow, so let's quickly roll on. So YouTube is actually one of the big platforms that is giving content creators so much income, and you would love to be part of these people. So YouTube is a platform or social media platform that gives opportunity to users to first of all watch videos of what they want to watch or videos they like, and also to upload videos. So we have content creators, we have the consumers. So my question is, do you want to be part of just the consumers? Do you want to be part of just the consumers, or do you want to be part of the creators as well? So today I want to share with you few things that you can do to make so much on YouTube. So first of all, before I even start this quick lesson, kindly give this video a like if you don't mind. Yes, right now, and also give us a subscribe. So click on the subscribe button right there, click on it, great, and then click on the bell icon, the very first one, so that it will release videos like this, educative ones that will help you to grow your business and also to get better on social media about trends and strategies. You'll be the first to receive the alert. So now let's move on. So my first point is, what can you teach? So if you have any idea, or if you have something unique that you can really teach others, that will give others value, then you are part of the people I'm talking about. And I believe everybody has something unique about them that they can teach others. So if you have something of that sort, then this is your opportunity to make thousands of dollars every month. So this is how you go about it. So if you have this idea about maybe how to swim, so you know how to swim and you can teach others how to swim, or you know stuff about cars and you can teach people about cars or help them to repair their cars or something, or you know something about pets or animals, or you are a fan of traveling, or you are a chef, or you can cook and you can teach other people, or you can research on stuff or stuff in technology or science or math or something, or you can solve problems, then this is your opportunity. So any of these areas you can teach people, this is the opportunity. So first of all, you discover what you can teach or what you can give to people as value. Then the second thing you have to do, draw a course or document a lesson that you will use in teaching people what you have. So you can have a course that is tabulated for weeks or for months or for days. Yes, so you have maybe day one, this is what I want to teach, day two, this is what I want to teach, or every week this is what I want to teach. So get a documented course book or a course list, and then or lesson list. And then the last thing you can do now is get yourself a camera and start shooting videos. Did you hear what I said? Start shooting videos. So shoot videos and start educating people on the course or the lessons that you have listed or documented, and then just wait for it. Encourage people to watch your videos to learn new things every week, and the next thing you can see yourself enjoying is a lot of income by just making these amazing videos. So you know, a lot of content creators make these amazing videos, they give people value, and YouTube pays them so well. So this is the idea I have given to you, and I believe this is helpful, and I know that you really enjoyed this video. So kindly give us a like if you have not, and also subscribe to this channel for more educative videos, and also to know more about social media trends, digital marketing, a little bit of fun, you know. Thank you for joining. My name is Gas. See you another time.